To obtain your recreational drone insurance quote, you will firstly need to select the Get a Quote option in the top right hand corner of your screen. 4 options will then appear and you will need to select the option Drone Insurance. This will take you to the Your Details page. Firstly, fill out the form as indicated. You will then need to select whether you are a commercial or recreational operator. If you are utilising the drone for a commercial benefit, then you will need to select a commercial policy. However, if you are using the drone as a hobby, then you will need to select a recreational policy. We are assuming in this situation that you have chosen recreational. Once registered, you will then be taken through to the General Details page. Please ensure that your full name and address that you've previously inputted are correct. You will then be asked which territory your cover needs to be domiciled in. You are then required to declare whether you have suffered any accidents or made any claims in the last 3 years. If you haven't, please select No and move on to the next section. However, if you have, please select Yes and fill out the type of claim, the date of claim, and amount paid. If you've had more than one, please select Add Another Claim and then Save and Return. You will then move on to the liability section of the quote form. You will need to select which date you would like your cover to start and for how long you require the cover for. With our flexible policy periods, you're able to select cover for any period between 1 day and 1 year. Please note, for recreational users, the liability limit is set at £1 million. You then have the option to add on cover for your drone or other equipment for damage, loss or theft. If you select No, this will then generate a quote for liability only cover. However, if you select Yes, you will then need to provide details of your equipment. You will be taken to the next page, which asks for the make and model of your drone. If you have another drone that you would like to insure, please select Add Another Drone and repeat the process. However, if not, please provide how much cover you require for the airborne equipment that you own. Please then answer whether you require any cover for ground-based equipment, and if so, the value. We then come to the hired-in equipment section. If you do not require cover for any hired-in equipment, please select No and move on to the next page. If you do, please select Yes and provide the third-party hirer's name and email address if you have it. Please then provide the total value of all hired-in equipment. We will email your hirer with the confirmation of your cover. You will then be asked to agree to our declaration questions and your quote will then be generated. From this point, you are provided with the quote schedule, statement of facts, policy wording and terms of business. You are able to buy your policy, in which you will simply need to provide payment details.